How to log in into your ALDI Mobile account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log in to your ALDI Mobile account. For this, open up any web browser and head over to aldimobile.com.au. Once you are on this website, you want to click on the login option. Then it is going to take you to another web page. Now, on this web page, you have the login portal. You will have to enter some of your details in order to log in. Start by entering your mobile number or account number. Once you enter this information, the next step is to enter your password. Once you have entered both the details, click on the login option. If your details are correct, you will be successfully logged in. In case you have forgotten your password and you want to reset it, click on the Forgot Password link. Now, on another page, you will have to enter your mobile number. Once you have entered your mobile number, you want to click on the option of Send Reset Link. Then you can easily reset your password with the link that is sent to you. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.